Hello, this is Lena's Pretty Things, and we're going to do an unboxing from Amazon.
For me?
It's yours, yeah. It's your fence.
Oh, okay.
What do you think it's so big for, boo-boo?
I don't know. I was like, what the fuck is this? Why is it for me? I didn't order anything. I'm going to regret giving me a knife, mother.
Well, I thought you might need it to open up that big thing.
Stab.
You might not need it. I guess it had things you could just yank off there. Woofy's like, what you got? See, Woofy? He says, what you got?
I have crippling depression.
No, she wants to know what's in your box.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Shake it so it'll come out of the box. Pull, yank, pull.
It's heavy.
Let me see if I can help you get it off. You pull up, I'll pull down. What's it hung on? Life in general? Maybe you should cut it some more. Oh, that was your toe? Just see if you can... Here, do the sides. You're not going to be able to save it, so you might as well just... Watch out, my legs are down there. You're going to kill us both that way. You hold that thing and I'll pull. See if you can get it out now. Whoop, watch the finger, love. Maybe it'll slide out if you lay it down and try it that way. And I can hold the end of it like this. Pull. It's probably all the, I don't know, other things. That one's difficult, isn't it? There might be some nuts and bolts and screws down in there or something that was holding it in there. Probably that stuff right there. There's a thing there too. Get your white thing out so you can see what that's about. That's your instructions probably. And see, that's there in case you have to put it down into the ground, which you're not doing. I think that's what that's for. Maybe. Is there more down in the box? No? Woo! It's a dog fence, but we're going to use it as a bunny fence. Right, Bree? Ricky wakes up later. Maybe you can get him to help you. Being as you're not going to make it round, it should be pretty simple just to,
This item is not suitable for children. Don't cage up your children, people. I'm thirsty. I just woke up.
Go make yourself one of those coffee shakes. Use the almond milk and the, Bree, use 2 scoops of the coffee and some almond milk and put it in a shaker and shake it.
Why not, I guess.
Okay. That's Ariana's dog fence from Amazon. Going to be used for her bunny. Since it's in her bedroom, loose and running wild.
That you absolutely despise.
I don't think it's going to fit clear across your room. You may have to do it like a corner of your room.
It's okay if it doesn't.
Well, it has to be able to stand up.
Oh, yeah. It's going to fit.
I mean, because if it falls on her, that thing's heavy. It would kill her.
No. In my mind, I thought you were saying I don't think it's going to fit across your room. And in my mind, I thought it was going to fit, but it was going to have extra. And I was like, that's fine if it has extra. But
it won't be fine if it has extra, because that needs to be attached to something. Because if that falls on her, you won't have a bunny. Okay. Huh?
You understand what I'm trying to say. So it's fine.
Yeah. You're going to have to figure out how to hook it to your wall.
You don't understand me, Mom.
And stabilize it.
I'm pretty sure.
Because that's pretty heavy.
I can duct tape.
It won't. That's heavy. She's going to have to stabilize it. She's not making a pen like that's supposed to make. She's going to stretch it across her room, so one area of her room is for the bunny.
Oh, fucking hell.